And we're back to learning CapCut in here, day 6. Let me show you how you can speed up a video. Kind of glanced over it in the last video already, but let me show you an actual example. Here is a screen capture of one of my Photoshop tutorials. And here at this point I've used the generated fill, so that is an AI function, and it takes a little bit of time. So there's this process bar, start at around 17 seconds in. So I split my screen capture here. Then I go forward and you can see the progress bar, and it ends at around 37 or something. Let me find a good position. Alright, here 36 seconds. I split it again. So Control B would be the split function. I've done that 2 times, start point, entry point, and the end point. And now I use the select tool and select this clip, so this portion of our original. And then you go to speed, right here at the top right, standard, and you have 2 options to adjust it. 18 seconds is the full length. And when you make a tutorial, you certainly don't want to have your viewers wait for 18 seconds because nothing's happened. It's just the progress in the background of the AI function. You can now crank up the speed, let's say to 4x. You can see we have 5 seconds now, or just type in 1 second for the duration and the speed will be adjusted to 18x. And this has sized down our clip right here. I play it. So here's the normal time, and the progress bar speeds up, and then we have the normal time again. And when we zoom in here, you can actually see that it's now added to the top of this clip. You can see an icon, kind of like a clock icon, and then the 18.07x that I've used to speed it up to 1 second compared to the original length of 18 seconds. And that's about it. This is how I can speed up videos in CapCut. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.